Major religion of the world. Christianity is the world's largest religion with over 2 billion followers. Believe follow the teaching of Jesus Christ in the New Testament. Christian believe that Jesus Christ is the Son of the God and that God sends him to the earth to save humanity from the consequences is its science. Which Christianity is the major world religion issued on Jesus Christ. Follow believe Jesus is God's Son who come to earth to teach people how to live well and to save them from the bad effects of wrong choosing called signs. They look to the New Testament part of the Bible of their faith in the life. Islam is the second largest religion in the world with over 1.9 billion followers means surrender of submissions. It follow the teaching of the Quran and Prophet Muhammad. Islam believe that nothing can happen without Allah's permissions, but humans have free will, in which Islam is one of the world's biggest religion, with Islam itself meaning to surrender or submit to God who follow call Allah. Its teaching come from the Holy Book Quran and the example to Prophet Muhammad follows believes that who everything that happens has Allah's permissions. People still have the freedom to make their own choice in life.